Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just wanted to share a particular problem with this vehicle that we've shut a few times and wanted to share it with you. Okay, today in the workshop we've got this Audi A3. It's a 2015 model A3. It's got the 1.8 turbo petrol motor, the CJSA. It came in with a check engine light on and some poor performance. We scanned the vehicle, obviously got a lot of codes as we normally do, but the one that really struck us is the actuator module for turbocharger stuck. So it's a P00AF00, and again, actuator module for the turbocharger stuck, or C. So we've actually stripped it apart. We've had a couple of these we've had over the years, the past couple of years, and two common issues go wrong with them. Here's the actuator for the turbo, obviously sits up normally over this side. We can see that the turbo still moves quite freely. Two things occur. The gearing inside these motors can strip. There's plastic gears in them and they can strip. Or the second common issue we find is that this pivot here completely seizes. So we can't move that pivot. It's completely rock solid. So therefore, once it's in situ, it ain't going to move. So the motor can attempt to move it. It is capable of moving it, but because of this seized connection here, they're the problem. Now the problem is this is machine set. It's not removable, the pivot. And obviously it can't be removed off the pivot shaft either. So it's a complete turbo exhaust manifold replacement. So a bit of a silly design to have it that way. Obviously it gets bloody hot and it needs to be continually moving as it's actuating that turbo. But again, two, the common problem. One, the gear inside here strips, and two, this pivot becomes completely seized up, so it needs to be replaced. So in this particular case, we've got to replace that whole unit. So quite a big job to pull it apart with the cat out and the exhaust manifold off, and then we can get those new parts. They are readily available as well. So just keep an eye on that particular issue. Potentially even lubricating that on a service prior to any issues might be an idea to make sure that that pivot can stay moving. Hopefully that helps you out. If you are a TAP member, that's one of our repair solutions that we're going to load up. And again, if you're not, make sure you keep on looking at those repair solutions online. If you're not a member, you'd like to join up, go to tap.net.au and click up the Join Up Now button. See you next time.